Of all the places to present in Korea, TESOL, Gwangalli Beach, Busan must be one of the best ones. Right across the street from Gwangalli Beach, HQ Bar.
Thank you very much for participating. Thank you.
No questions? Then thank you very much.
Hello, TESOL friends. I'm so glad that Lindsay and Wayne came out to present with us today. This is what you get if you come to Busan. So please contact me if you're interested in presenting and come and meet the people in our chapter.
Hello, my name is Nicole and I'm the treasurer for TESOL. Please join us.
Hi, I'm Brittany. I'm an officer at large for Busan TESOL. We're here at Gwangan for some great workshops today.
Hey, my name is Minji and I am a secretary in Busan Gyeongnam TESOL, and I and Rhea just created Gender Equality SIG, so please join our SIG. Bye!
Bye! Hi there, I'm Jenny Cho and I'm an elementary school teacher at Ulsan, Korea. One of the best things about TESOL is the multiple networking opportunities that you receive, as well as the multiple great ideas you get from all of your co-workers, whether you're a university professor, whether you're a public school teacher, whether you're a Hagwon teacher. Whoever you are, there's something for everybody. So come, join TESOL.
Hi, I'm Sunil Matani. I'm from Gangnam University in Masan. I'm happy to be on the TESOL's International Conference Committee Publicity Team, and I hope to see you at the International Conference in September.
Hey, I'm Lindsay. I got to present for the Busan chapter today. Busan chapter is fantastic. Everybody should come. Thank you.
Hey guys, don't forget about the International Conference coming up on October 12th and 13th. That's a weekend, it's a Saturday and a Sunday. For presenters, if you're out there watching this, registration for presenters opened up yesterday and it's going until July 20th. And if you are planning on just coming as an attendee, pre-registration for attendees is going to open up August 1st. So we hope you'll join us. Every year, between 800 and 1,000 attendees come. It's over at the Sukmyung Women's University campus in Seoul. And we're really thrilled to be doing it there again. We hope you'll join us for a weekend full of creativity, discussion, engagement, and professional development. We'll see you there.